Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pavni's Creative Edge. Last weekend we went to a happening place in Hyderabad, and that is Wings India Aero Show 2026. This was conducted from 28 to 31st January at Begumpet Airport. There were two teams who were performing in this air show. 10 to 1:30 it is Surya Kiran Aerobatic team, 30 to 3:30 it is Mark Jeffrey team, followed by Fire Aircraft Show and Drone Show. We booked our tickets for the 2 o'clock show. Started at 1 o'clock from our house. As expected, the traffic was too heavy, but the Hyderabad traffic police had made a good arrangement to clear the traffic. We booked our tickets online on Book My Show. Ticket cost was 1000 rupees per head. Though the queue was very long, finally we entered the airport. You can see that the pilots were getting ready for the takeoff.
People of Hyderabad, blue skies and happy landings.
नाम नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, सिंध खान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। ना ही ज़मीन आसमानों में।
And that was a beautiful end for the air show with the hearts in the sky. It was so captivating and thrilling to see. And after that, we moved on to the exhibition area, where you can see the aeroplanes and the helicopter in a static display. There were different stalls from different aero companies like Airbus and others, and also airspace parts and flight stimulation. This is Adani Groups, who created a Navi Mumbai airport to showcase their expertise. They also showcase the aerospace parts, explaining the future tech, safety tech, aviation fuel technology. And one of the stalls even displayed the luxury premium business class seats, which looked so cozy and comfortable. And Janvika was thoroughly enjoying experiencing all these. And by the way, I forgot to tell you all that Janvika got dressed up as a pilot to show her love towards pilots who flew the aircraft so confidently in the sky, and especially to the girl pilots who are making our India proud. And after our stall's visit, we came out to witness the second show, that is the Fire Aircraft Show. You can see that the aircrafts were gearing up for the next Air Fire Show.
People of Hyderabad, blue skies and happy landings.
नाम नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है। ना ही ज़मीन आसमानों में, मुमकिन है दो जहानों में, जज्बे पहुंच गए अंबर से आगे, धरती से फिर भी बंधे हैं धागे, रहते वतन की मिट्टी से जुड़ के। जय हिंद जो नस जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, सिद्ध ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
And once all the aircrafts landed, the pilots came out and waved their hands for the audience. And we all were so dumbstruck to see the pilot was so age old. But really, hats off to his intrepid and courage. And finally, Wings India 2026 was a very captivating one, and it was Asia's largest civil aviation event, which we enjoyed a lot. And so did my daughter Janvika. Hope you all liked my video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe my channel for more videos.